Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video I'll be showing you all how I did these large knotless braids with coily ends. If you want to see how I did this, please keep on watching. Here my hair has been previously washed and then moisturized. So firstly, I'm just going to prepare my hair for the hairstyle. So I'm going to pre-part my hair before starting this hairstyle. Starting from the back, I'll pre-part my hair and then put them up in a form of bantu knots. I'll just be showing you all how I did the back, and then I'll do the rest off camera. I apologize for the lighting of this video. When I was filming this video, the weather was a bit weird, so the lighting might go on and off. Just bear with me, please. Done with the parting of my hair, I'll go ahead with this hairstyle. For the first part, I'm going to apply my products. You can use any product you have. You can use Eco Styler, you can use Shine and Jam Gel, you can use any product you have. So I'll just apply my product. After applying my product, I will take my brush and make sure my hair is slick. For this video, I'm doing the feed-in method of the knotless braids. I like to go over my hair with my comb, and then after that use my brush to slick the hair down very well. My hair is super thick fussy hair, so I like to make sure my hair is slicked down for the hairstyle that I'm doing. To begin the knotless braids, I'll start with braiding of my natural hair. I'll braid it like 2 or 3 times, and then I'll add the braiding hair and then continue braiding. I braid with the braiding hair 2 or 3 times, and then I add another braiding hair again. Here I'm also adding another braiding hair. Overall, for each of the parts, I added 3 large braiding hair. So the braiding hair I was using, they were very large. That's why it came out large too. I wanted the hair to be large, but not too large. This is the size I very much wanted. I love it. After braiding the hair to the end, because I want to coil the ends of the hair, I'm going to be tying this up. I'm just going to be repeating what I did earlier. I'm just applying my product on my hair. After applying my product, I'll take my comb to comb this and then go ahead to use my brush to brush this down to make it slick. This is my first time doing knotless braid, and I can tell you it's super easy, and then also this feeding method is very easy. My parts are not the best, but just bear with me. I'm a beginner. Don't come for me, okay? Starting with braiding of my hair, I'll go ahead to braid my hair like 2 or 3 times. After braiding my hair, I'll add my braiding hair and then continue braiding. I'll also braid that for 2 or 3 times and then add another braiding hair. My explanations are not the best, but I do hope you get what I'm trying to say. I'll also braid this for a little while and then add another braiding hair. Overall, I added 3 large braiding hair. I'll be coiling the ends of this hairstyle, so I won't braid it to the very end. I'll just braid it to where I want the coils to start from, and then I will tie this up. I think it's best you watch what I do, so I'm just going to stop talking so you watch the way I'm doing it. It's super easy to do. Knotless braids are so easy to do. This was literally my first time and I got the hang of it. For this particular hairstyle, I'm using the braiding hair I used previously for my jumbo twist hairstyle. The girl was broke and had to do her hair, so I just took down the braiding hair from my previous hair and then I kept it safely. Washed and kept it safely. I washed it thoroughly and then kept it safely for this particular hairstyle. Also check out the jumbo twist hairstyle video maybe after watching this. I just want to appreciate the person that came up with these knotless braids. Very easy to do. I'm just a beginner. I don't even know how to grip my hair, but these knotless braids was very easy for me to do. I had to show how I did this several times so you can get a hang of it. I'm just a beginner, so if you're a beginner like me, to be easy for you to do, you can always go back and replay it. If you don't get how I did it, you can always go back, replay it. It's easy, you easily get a hang of it. If I can do it, you can also do it too. Here I'm just working with the back. As usual, I apply my product. So for the knotless braid, as usual, I start with braiding of my hair, and then I add the braiding hair one at a time. I'm adding 3 large braiding hair, so I'm just adding them one at a time because this is feed in knotless braid. After braiding all the hair, I then apply styling mousse to the hair and also to the ends that I'm about to coil. And for the ends, I'm going to be using these pen rods to coil the ends. To coil the end, I'm just going to take one of the braids and then roll it on the pen rods. You can just roll it anyhow you want to roll it. After I rolled all the braids on the pen rod, I then go ahead to put them in a bowl of hot water. Brought them out and then dry them up. As you can see here, I'm just unraveling the hair from the pen rods to reveal the coils. After unraveling them all, this is what it looked like. This is literally the next day. I was so tired. Here I'm just oiling my scalp. This is how the hairstyle turned out. I hope you've been able to learn a trick or two on how to do knotless braids. As a beginner like me, if I can do it, you can also do it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.